Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will make this cute little hat together, so let's start it. So first we need to do a magic ring and then put our hook into this hole, yarn over and yarn over once again to make one chain. And then for the first round we need to do 6 single crochet. Put our hook into this big hole, yarn over here. This time we should have 2 loops on our hook, and yarn over go through the 2 loops at once. This is our first single crochet. We can put a mark here so we will know where to do the slip stitch later. And then we need to do 5 more single crochet for the first round. Now I finished the 6 single crochet, and then we put this end to tighten it. And then back to our mark place. We do a slip stitch. We put our hook into the mark place and then yarn over here and then pull our hook directly. So this will be our first round. For the second round, we do one chain first, and in the same stitch here, we do 6. So this round is 6 single crochet increase. We put our hook in, and then we can put this little yarn on top of our hook, just like this, and yarn over here, and yarn over, go through the 2 loops. We can put a mark at our first single crochet place, and then we still need to do 1 more single crochet in the same stitch. So that would be our first single crochet increase. We need to do 5 more. In each stitch we will do 2 single crochet. So after finish the last single crochet increase, we put out our mark and then put our hook in the mark place, do a slip stitch, yarn over here, and then pull our hook direct. We do 1 chain first, and for third round the pattern is 1 single crochet and 1 single crochet increase. In the same stitch we do the slip stitch. We do 1 single crochet here, and then we can put a mark. For the next stitch we will do a single crochet increase, which means we need to do 2 single crochet in the same stitch. Now for third stitch is 1 single crochet, and the next one is single crochet increase. We just repeat it. 1 single crochet and 1 single crochet increase. So after finish the last single crochet increase, we put out our mark. Then in the mark place we'll do a slip stitch, yarn over here, and then pull our hook directly. For the next round the pattern is all single crochet around. We do 1 chain first, and then in the mark place here we do 1 single crochet, and then you can put a mark here. And then for the following stitches we do 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet, 1 stitch. So after finish the last single crochet, we take out our mark in the mark place. So we do a slip stitch here, and then for the next round the pattern is the same. We do all single crochet around, And for wire dot single crochet, we will change the yarn color. I will show you later. So this is the last stitch for this one. We put our hook in and then yarn over just like this. In here we need to change our yarn color. We grab the red color like this and then yarn over here, go through the 2 loops just like this. We press those 2 yarn here, the yellow and the red one. Come to the first single crochet place to do a slip stitch here and then pull it a little bit. So in here the next round we do 1 chain first, and then we need to do single crochet around just like the round we did earlier. And in here we can put the red yarn on top of our hook just like this. This is our first single crochet, and then you can put a mark. For the second stitch is also a single crochet. Can put this little one on top of our hook. And then just repeat 1 stitch, 1 single crochet. So after finish the last single crochet for this round, we can take our mark, and then in the mark place we do a slip stitch. And for this long yellow yarn, we can just leave it here. We will use it later. And for this round, we do 1 chain first, and in the same stitch, we do 1 single crochet. So for this round, the pattern is the same. It's all single crochet around, and in the wire last stitch, we will change the yarn color, just like we did earlier. So for our wire last stitch, we put our hook in and yarn over like this. In here, we need to change our yarn color. We grab the yellow one we leave in here earlier, and yarn over here, go through the 2 loops just like this. And then we take out our mark. In the mark place, we do a slip stitch. Yarn over here and then pull our hook directly. For this round, we need to do 18 single crochet increase. So in each stitch, we need to do a single crochet increase. We do 1 chain first, and then put our hook into the mark place. In here, we can make this right line on top of a hook, and yarn over here, yarn over to do a single crochet. And then we need to repeat it 1 more time in the same stitch. In here, and then it's also a single crochet increase. We can put the red yarn on top of our hook for about maybe 2 stitches is enough, and then here, and then we can cut it. So this is a way to hide the yarn, so you don't need to hide it later. You just finish hiding the yarn when we're crocheting. And also we have a little yellow one. You can cut this too. And then we'll just come back. So for each stitch, we need to do 2 single crochet for this round. So after finish the last single crochet increase, we take out our mark, and then in the mark place we do a slip stitch, and then pull our hook directly. And for this round, we need to do 36 single crochet, 1 stitch, 1 single crochet. The same here, you can put a mark in the very first single crochet place. and just one stitch, one single crochet to repeat them. So after finish the last single crochet, we leave about this long enough and then cut the yarn. So in the mark place, we take out our mark and then put our hook from the back in the mark place, the first single crochet we made for this round, and then yarn over here to grab this yarn here. And you can see there is a line here, and this is the last stitch for this round. And then the same here, we put our hooking the last stitch from the back. Just like this, in the center, the last stitch, and then grab our yarn here. In here, we did a fixed stitch. I think is this one. This one is the fixed stitch we did. So instead of doing a slip stitch directly, this way can make it more organized. And then we just loosen the needle here to have the yarn. So that's all about this video. Thanks for watching. Feel free to leave a comment if you have any questions. I will see you next week. Bye.